Hey, Lola.
Hi, Joy. How are ya?
Good.
I got fuzzy face.
You got waggy tail.
Yep. What is this?
Cat food.
Oh, I'm a dog. Did you know that?
But I wanted your tail to wag.
Oh, well, it worked.
It did work.
So everybody calls me Fuzz Face.
Fuzz face.
Fuzz Face.
Well, because you got eyebrows like an old man.
Oh, but I'm a girl, and I'm not old. Well, I'm a little older, but that's okay. No one cares. I don't care.
No one does.
No.
I'm coming.
Hurry up.
More cat
get
food.
Up. More cat food, please.
I have some dog treats here.
Oh, that would be lovely.
They're almost as small, and you're kind of a big girl.
Yes, I am large and in charge.
No, you're not. You're just silly.
Oh, okay.
You're not at all in charge.
You're
you don't
right.
care.
I don't care about much.
You're a very nice girl.
And I came from Tennessee.
Yep.
And I hitched a ride with one of your drivers. And crazy driver. You might want to screen your drivers. Because we were going every which way.
You were?
Yeah, I felt like I was on a roller coaster.
It was kind of fun though, wasn't it?
Well, I don't know. It was a little scary.
Well, you were on those windy, hilly roads, right?
But I think most of it was she doesn't know how to drive.
Oh, they make me puke, those kind of roads.
No, do they?
Yeah, but you didn't puke, did you?
I'm not going to tell. I do really good in the car, but when it comes to 13 hours in a car, you got to give me a break.
Okay, well, I see you're going, and we got to go anyway.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.